ये जो गुपकर अलायंस बना था, व्हाई डिड इट जस्ट डिसइंटीग्रेट? कि क्यों उमर एंड महबूबा कैन नॉट सिंक देयर डिफरेंसेस? क्योंकि आप लोगों के मैनिफेस्टो बिल्कुल एक जैसे लगते हैं।
कि अलायंस जब बना 3 अगस्त को महबूबा जी घर से निकली और सबके घर गई, तो इट वाज हर इनिशिएटिव सिंगल हैंडेडली. सम ऑफ देम डिडंट ओपन गेट्स फॉर आवर्स. हाँ, वी वेटेड आउटसाइड द गेट्स और फिर बहुत प्रेशर से डर डर के लीडर बाहर निकले और वो अलायंस बना उस वक्त. फिर दूसरे दिन 5 अगस्त हो गया. उसके बाद वो
क्यों नहीं गेट खोलते थे? ईगो की वजह से, डर की वजह से? क्या
पॉलिटिकल डिफरेंसेस, डर भी बहुत है इधर, बहुत डर था. तो मैडम ने शी वेंट अक्रॉस एंड देन दे टुगेदर मेड दैट गुफ्कार डिक्लेरेशन. दैट्स हाउ इट वाज क्रिएटेड एज एन.
टू मच ऑफ मिसट्रस्ट दोनों की तरफ से.
She gave a lot of respect to Farooq Saab to chair it, to head it, even if it was her own initiative to start this whole alliance and unity. And then she said, there's nothing to, Kashmiris don't have a reason to fight, so let's come together. And then it continued. She was the last one to come out of jail. और उसके बाद तब तक इनने बात ही नहीं की गुफ्कार पे, PAGD पे. When she came out, then the conversation on PAGD and meeting started. Until elections, she was even willing to cede all seats. I'm sure जो हमारी PAC में meetings होती थी,
अच्छा,
she was willing to give Farooq साहब all 3 seats in parliament. But उमर साहब said ये ground पे ही नहीं है, ये लोग irrelevant है. We were weak on ground, not because of NC, but because of the crackdown on PDP. We were not fighting election. अभी भी हम election NC के खिलाफ तो लड़ते हैं, but on ground हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान तो सरकार ने किया है ना, BJP ने किया है. क्योंकि 40 लोग जो PDP के मेन बंदे थे, MLAs, मिनिस्टर्स, MLCs, जिनको पार्टी ने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से तैयार किया था इलेक्शंस के लिए, वो सब निकल गए. तो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के खिलाफ काफ़ी NC में काफ़ी डिफरेंट पार्टीज़ में, दैट्स एंड NC thought PDP is losing ground. PDP was not losing ground to NC. It was losing ground because there was a government crackdown on us, and that crackdown has affected the party. It's not that NC has grown up, their cadre has grown up, their vote share has not grown up. It is there where it was. PDP's cadre was scattered because there were pressure, raids, arrests and detentions and government pressure on it. So that is one reason. और फिर उस वक्त उमर साहब ने बोला कि हम इनको कोई भी सीट नहीं देना चाहते पार्लियामेंट में, which was even fine. If they had made a consensus, made a phone call to महबूबा जी, she was even willing to accept that. But जब उन्होंने बहुत arrogance से कहा, then PDP had to fight and ठीक है, वो 2-3 पार्टियाँ जो बनी वो नहीं रही, but PDP was number 2 all over Kashmir Valley, again against National Conference. So we got 5 lakh votes as a vote share, which was number 2 in the parliament, and now we are fighting in assembly also. They made no initiative for, they made every effort that we are out of India alliance. They put entire pressure to Congress not to accommodate PDP.
अच्छा, तो ये इंडिया अलायंस पे NC ने प्रेशर डाला कि आप इंडिया अलायंस
में आए. In parliament also, in assembly also, there was a lot of pressure that do not accommodate or give seats. I think that's why NC's problem lies is that they see Kashmir through the prism of seats and power sharing. We made alliance with Congress or BJP, but it was never about seat sharing. There was a core agenda, political process of Kashmir, कि डेमोक्रेसी को, गवर्नेंस को यूज़ इट फॉर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो.
इंडिया अलायंस में जैसे अगर हम बंगाल देखें तो कम्युनिस्ट भी इंडिया अलायंस में है और ममता जी भी हैं. सो दो कम्युनिस्ट एंड TMC डोंट गेट अलॉन्ग इन बंगाल, लेकिन दोनों इंडिया अलायंस में हैं. वैसे ही आप और NC, दे कुड हैव बोथ बीन इन इंडिया अलायंस.
इट वॉज पॉसिबल. और मैं तो बोल
क्या
रहा हूँ,
महबूबा जी जाना चाहती थी?
महबूबा जी जाना चाहती थी और महबूबा जी वॉज विलिंग इवन टू सीट देम एंटायर स्पेस इन पार्लियामेंट. 3 सीटें देनी थी. Assembly maybe if they had made an initiative, she would have given them, accommodated most of them. In DDC elections, she surrendered most of her seats to NC and in this PAGT. But I think it's just NC saw this as an opportunity to have the monopoly over Kashmir politics, which is their traditional problem. So उनको लगा कि हम किसी को मानेंगे ही नहीं, तो यहाँ सारी फाइट एग्जिस्टेंस की है. उन्होंने बोला हमारे बिना तो यहाँ कोई पार्टी एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती. So Engineer Rashid came up. It was because Umar Abdullah himself lost elections because he was so high कि मैं तो खुद ही जीत जाऊँगा. तो अगर PAGD से लड़ता खुद तो कम से कम सीट कब पक्की हो जाती. And now he's fighting 2 seats, but he was not willing to give PDP any seats. So I think it's just national conference.
Is it personality clash also between Mehbooba and Omar?
I don't think Mehbooba ji has any ego clash. She was very accommodative. She may not मतलब you know in media you may not see that, but a personal level पे she was very clear to NC leadership that let me know whatever is to be done. So she was very accommodative in the meetings also. She said there is a larger issue right now, let's not make it a seat issue.
She said that, matlab, I don't know the exact words, but she has said that government formation is not going to be possible without the PDP. Is that true? Like,
Yeah,
do you feel
I think that's true. It will not, the numbers, mathematics will favor PDP, will be a very important player. And that's exactly whether you see, if you look at assembly elections की history यहाँ पे, तो whatever leaders think, you know, that we had 48 seats per lead in 2014 in parliament. It reached to 28 seats in assembly. So NCR abhi 35 pe, it's not going to be that they will have an absolute mandate. That's not possible because there are local issue, local leaders, and a lot of people who are not happy with you, who have candidate issue, personality issues. All these things matter in assembly elections, and I think PDP is definitely gaining ground in some constituencies very specifically. So PDP's numbers will be the most game changer in the government formation.
Click here to watch the full episode.